this fab box. Mum gave it me, so like I'll have to make it just fab nature. This is mine, really, and it has this. I'm really gonna decorate it back because it's rubbing off. So over here, I got this colour and cover there. I had to close the box. I'll let you guess what's inside after. It's nature stuff. There's only 3 stuff, and they're the same thing. So you can guess what the first thing is. We'll go like that. It's just a pen. And I'll close the lid. Right. I put this in my pencil case. My pencil case is like this. Could have used this one. It's really light. I'll show you. And there's this like glowing yellow one, but I don't want to glow. So that's supposed to glow. Even. Glow. It is really dark in the box, because it has a hole here. Guess what's in here? And if you guessed it, it is a conker. There's one conker, 2 conkers, 3 conkers. I got 3 conkers. First, my sister got one, but I don't know if it's that one. My mum got one. I don't know where, and my sister got another. Right. And now, I'll close the box, and that'll be it for now. It's really nice. It's about, sister, can you check what time it is? 6:15. She said 6:15, so bye, I'm staying awake. So.